Now let's see about tuple data structure. Tuple data structure is an immutable data structure, means we cannot change the value once it is assigned. And tuple have no methods, means we cannot update or remove or find any item directly. And for suppose I will show you how to create a tuple. Tuple is a keyword, so I'll write like tuple, tup, and within open close brackets we need to write 1 comma 2, and I'll save it. I'll print the tuple. I'll save, and if I print, as you can see, it's printed in within open close brackets. Open close brackets in the sense it belongs to tuple data structure. We cannot do anything in tuple data structure. The values are fixed, and we have indexing, but we cannot assign or delete an item from the tuple. We can print like tuple see, it printed 1, and we cannot delete or update or any item. For example, I will show you one thing like delete of tuple of 0th element. As you can see, tuple does not support item deletion, and we cannot update or add new value to the tuple also, and it's a fixed data structure. Now we will see one more data structure called dictionary. Dictionary is nothing but it's a pair of values. It's a pair of key and value. Key and value. It's a most useful and important data structure in Python programming language. We can assign dictionary directly, like A is a dictionary, and values like 1 in the sense of 1, 2 in the sense of 2. Here printed successfully. In tuple, the key should be unique, but values can be repeated or duplicates also. For example, now I'll change this to 1. Here 1 is a key which has 2 different values. When a key has 2 different values, the value will be overridden, means it will take the updated value only. I'll print now. As you can, I'll save the program. It printed only 2. It takes only updated value. It will not take the previous value. And if you want to access of a value, we need to know the key. So we'll take the dictionary of, in the sense, key. I'll change this to 2. It will return the value of key 1 in the dictionary A. I'll print it. As you can see, it printed 1. To update or to add one more key pair to the dictionary, we can write like A of key in the sense I'll give a unique key representing a value, and I'll print A now. As you can see, a new pair is added. But if you if you want to add more than one pair, so I'll consider like I'll take one more dictionary, 4 in the sense 4 comma 5 and A dot update of B, means B pairs will be added to the A, and I'll print A. I'll run the program. I'll save it. As you can see, A has A. As you can see, the multiple dictionary values are added to the dictionary. And similarly, if we want to know the keys of a dictionary, we can write like this: a dot keys. In the sense, it will return the all keys of the dictionary. Similarly, a dot items will return all the items in the dictionary. As you can see, here the keys are 1, 2, 3, 4, and dictionary item has both key value and pair. If you want only the values of dictionary, we can write a dot values, and I'll save the program and run once again. As you can see, the values are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and keys are 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and items in the sense both key value and pair. And that's it for the dictionary data structure. Now we'll see set data structures.